Hi friends, it's Pip. Today we're going to learn our shapes. This is a circle, round and round, just like the sun. This is a square, it has 4 equal sides. This is a triangle, it has 3 pointy sides. This is a rectangle, long on 2 sides, short on 2 sides. This is a star, twinkle, twinkle, up in the sky. This is a heart, it means I love you. This is an oval, round, like a little egg. This is a diamond, it sparkles and shines. Shapes are all around us. A ball is a circle, a book is a rectangle, a slice is a triangle. Great job! We learned circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star, heart, oval, and diamond. Wonderful work learning your shapes. See you next time. Bye bye.